Okay, I'm trying to use SpeedSearch on my Speedscript files that I've updated with Instant 80. I have Speedscript 3.2 with the Instant 80 patch applied. SpeedSearch is going to search through all the Speedscript documents looking for a word or phrase. I'm going to search for the and space. Okay, it's telling me there's no Speedscript files on the disk, even though there are. So to fix that, I'm going to attach the disk image that has MetaBASIC, which is on the Computes Gazette February of '87 disk, which is available at archive.org. So we can auto start that. Select option 7, MetaBASIC 64. Can go back up to File, attach disk image to drive 8, and I'm going to put my Speedscript disk in that has all my Speedscript files, and click Open. Then at the MetaBASIC Ready prompt, type Start and the name of one of the Speedscript files, and this is going to give us our starting address. Okay, it's showing 10240, write that down. And then we're going to use this high-low byte finder program that I wrote. You'll input a memory address and it'll give you the high byte and the low byte. So the high byte is the integer of the address divided by 256. And the low byte is the address minus the high byte times 256. So I'll run the program. Enter my memory address from the previous operation. 10240. And the high byte is 40, the low byte is 0. We'll have to write those down. I'm going to put the disk in that has SpeedSearch, which is from the May '87 Gazette's disk. And the name of the program is SpeedSearch. So open this disk and then type load SpeedSearch, 8. Okay, at the ready prompt, do not run the program. Instead, type poke 2534, comma, and the low byte, which was 0, and then poke 2542, comma, the high byte, which was 40. Now we'll run SpeedSearch and make sure it's working. After we put in the disk with the Speedscript documents. Okay, I'm going to search for the space. Okay, it's finding files this time. And it's found 3 files with 14 matches of the word the. So everything is working, but before we're done, we need to save the SpeedSearch file. So save SpeedSearch, and I'm going to call it 80, 8. Now this will always search Speedscript files that I have saved using Speedscript 3.2 with the Instant 80 patch applied. So I'm going to reset my emulator, and we're going to load our new SpeedSearch file. Okay, run it. Search for something. And it can see and search my Speedscript files. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.